Get you the big voice from M&M on the road ahead. Is the company going to stay in top gear? Here's the man in the driver's seat, Pawan Goenka, on the company's outlook.
With all the products that we have launched in the last 3 years, the new platforms that we have, we're very well poised to take advantage of the opportunity that was there in the marketplace, and that has played out very well for us.
SUVs and commercial vehicles. But let me touch upon the margins. I mean, margins have been very, very strong. I mean, we have seen it shooting up to 25%. There are already some brokerages who feel that it may not be sustainable.
If you look at our historical performance on margin for the last 5, 6, 7 years, we are in a band of plus minus 1%.
Yeah.
We do manage it very well. It's not always one thing. It's not always passing on commodity prices. Sometimes an increasing volume helps us. Sometimes we take sales price increase. But we overall try and balance the various inputs that come into defining the margin. So obviously our endeavor will be to maintain the margin. Yes, it's a good margin to have. Our endeavor will be to maintain it. We have done that in the past. I would expect to do it again, but time will tell.
If I turn to your commercial vehicle business, you have projected a growth of around 10 to 12% for CVs. If I look at the Tata Motors volumes, they have also given out very strong indications for the coming fiscal. Do you mean to say that finally the spends on infrastructure will start to happen?
I think so. I mean, clearly that is driving the commercial vehicle growth, and we have seen good growth for some time now. It's not just coming in this year. The HCV especially will grow because of impending BS6 from 2020, which will have a huge impact on pricing, maybe 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, depending on who you believe. And therefore, I would expect that FY19 and FY20 will be very strong year for HCV.